and me, hanging low key. They gon' do the most, I'ma keep it G. I don't say a word, but I'm getting seen. Everything I do it naturally. Ay, yeah, naturally. I'm a star. Naturally. I'm that bitch. Naturally. Check my fit. Naturally. Do what I want.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tassja. Today's video is going to be this Christmassy look. To create this look, I used the Morphe 35M palette and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Mostly the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So, you know, if you like this look or whatever, keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, you know. Get us up there, you know. But anyway, if you like this look, keep watching. To start, I'll be taking this red shade from the Morphe palette and I'll be placing it above my crease and in my crease. Now I'm taking this pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and placing it on my brow bone. Now I'm taking this red shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and putting it directly in my crease to make the red more bold. Now I'm cutting my crease into a circular shape like you see on my other eye. Now I'm taking this white single from MAC, I think it's called Frost, and patting that all over where I just cut my crease at. Now I'm taking that same red shade from before and cleaning up around the white eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this red shade from the Morphe palette and lightly tapping it onto my lid to try to make that ombre gradient effect. Now I'm taking this green shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and putting it underneath my eye. And I also put on eyeliner off camera, and I ended up putting lashes on off camera as well. On my lips, I'm using the Molasses Lip Liner from Sephora, the Fenty Unbuttoned Lip Paint, and the Fenty Diamond Gloss. The highlighter that I'm using is the Fenty Diamond Bomb highlighter, and if you want a highlighter that's really glittery but not strong on the pigment, then get this one because it's basically a topper.